Hello, little scientists. My name is Miss King, and I'm your science teacher this week. What's your name? Oh, well, it's so nice to meet you, and I hope that you've enjoyed the lesson so far this week. And we will continue on learning about force, energy, and motion. Yes, and so, of course, we need to go over the materials that we need for our lesson today. And those are your thinking caps, so go ahead and put that on. Perfect. Your RPS science workbook for this week. Pencil, paper, and crayons. If you don't have a science workbook, you can use paper. But if you would like to get a copy of that RPS science workbook, all you have to do is go back to where you found me for science. For day 2, click on K2 RPS Science Workbook Week 8. Once you click on that link, click on Make a Copy, and then go ahead and scroll down to day 2, and we will get to learn about force, energy, and motion. And you can use this page to draw or write some things that come to mind as you learn about force, push, pull, and direction. And of course, if you don't have the RPS Science Workbook, that's okay. You can hit pause on the video right now and copy down, like Miss King did, this chart that matches the one in the RPS workbook, okay? And before we get into the lesson, Miss King wanted to play you guys this push and pull song. Ready? Awesome.
Pushes and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak. Pushes and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak. So when you push with force, things move away. They'll move back to you when you pull. Pushes and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak. A force can change an object's motion. Stronger force makes bigger change. Pushes and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak.
Awesome. What a great video. Let's continue on learning about force, okay? And so our first video is about force, and what does force do? So there has to be a source for the force to start off. So if the source is where it came directly from. So for example, if I had this marker and I pushed it away like this, I am the source and I pushed it away and I just made it change. So a force changes the way objects move, okay? And let's look at that video that I made on force, and I'll talk you through it. Okay, so on this video, I push on the little thing, hit the ball, and it hits, the spinning thing actually hits on the ramp. And so I changed the way the ball moved. Let's go back one more time. Let's see what else I changed. I changed the way the ball moved, the little hammer thing, that light blue thing. Also the spinning orange, the spinning green thing. I changed the way it moved by putting some force into it, okay? Awesome, so force changes the way objects move, okay? Now, let's talk about what is a push. A push means when something moves away from the source of motion, okay? So a push moves something away from the source of motion. So when I push my hand forward, since I am the source, it is moving away from me. Let's take a look at the video that I made and we will be able to see a push and how it moves away from me. Now, this first push is going to be a very soft push, okay? And that is the part where energy comes in, because the amount of force that I put in, the work that I put in, will affect the way the object moves. Oops. Here we go. So here we go. My first one. Oh, I barely hit it. All right. So that was one push. Here's another push. Oh, look at me. I was trying to put a lot of force into it to push it away, and it did not make it in. Let me see one more. Well, we've made it to pull. And on pull, let's check this out. And a pull moves something towards or with the source, okay? And so you will see me, and I'm going to pull. I just pulled it. It's coming towards me, and it knocked it down, which made the other side that was blue come in my direction as well. And when I pulled it in the other direction, it actually went towards me in that direction. Now let's talk about direction. Direction is how things move when force is being used. Let's take a look at this. So here we go. I pressed down, that went up, that went forward, that went down the ramp, and it kept going, right? So now we're going to do a little bit of practice to talk a little more about what type of directions things can move, okay? So let's look at this first picture. And I see something that's kind of like a Z. If we were to describe that, how is that ball moving? If you said zigzag, you are correct. Now let's move on to this object. The ball is going and then coming. If you said up and down, you are correct. Now let's look at this object. The ball is going. Yes, that is correct. Round and around. Now let's look at these arrows. Here's the ball. The ball is going. It's moving. Yes, it's moving straight. Now, which way is this ball moving? Yes, back and forth. Great job. Now, we made it to our mission. And our mission this week is so cool, okay? So this week, what I would like for you to do is list or draw 5 sports that use equipment where force, motion, and energy is used, okay? So remember, that's the push, pull, directions, and force to figure that out. Then to evaluate yourself this week, let's get you to show me some examples of you pushing an object. So I need a photo or a video of you pulling an object, a photo or a video of you pushing an object, changing its direction, a photo or video of you pulling an object, changing its direction, a video of you, if possible, using little strength to move an object, and a video of you, if possible, using a lot of strength to move an object. And I would love for you to upload it on Science Fun with Seesaw. And of course, I want to take you through the steps so that you can have all your beautiful, beautiful photos and videos uploaded. So if you are in kindergarten, you are student K. If you are in first grade, you are student 1. And if you are in second grade, you are student 2. So click on whatever grade you're in and click upload. and you should be able to upload your photo to the drive, and you will see this appear of your photo. Click on the text box and type your name in. Upload as many as you want, and I'll go back. You can upload as many as you want to the same page by clicking Add Page. Okay, sound great? Well, we have made it to the end, and I hope that you enjoyed the lesson today, learning about force, energy, and motion. And I also hope that you enjoy your science fun for Friday. And before we go, I have this certificate for you with your name on it, because you never gave up on learning today. And it's signed by me, Miss King. I will see you later. Bye, little scientists.